Hello and welcome to another Mr. Carter Science Special. In this video we'll be looking at why many athletes train at high altitudes. This is a common exam question that comes up in AQA, Edexcel, UK and international specifications. So most sporting events take place at sea level. For example, here we've got Usain Bolt winning the 100-metre sprint, and we've got the London Olympics taking place alongside the Thames at approximately sea level. So why do so many top athletes train at high altitudes above 3,000 metres, or even wear masks that will simulate these conditions, like this gentleman is here? To find out, scientists investigated the effect of altitude, the height above sea level, on the mass of haemoglobin found in human blood. Blood samples were taken from humans living at different altitudes, and the results are shown below. So can we describe how altitude affects the mass of haemoglobin in human blood? As you can see from both the table and the graph, as the altitude increases from 0 metres up to 1,000 metres, there is no change in the mass of haemoglobin in human blood. In fact, the mass of haemoglobin remains constant at 121 grams per litre. After 1,000 metres, as the altitude increases, the mass of haemoglobin in the human blood increases up to 140 grams per litre at 3,000 metres. So how does this increase in the mass of haemoglobin in human blood that athletes experience when they train at high altitudes? How would that affect them when they're running races at sea level? Can we suggest why a long distance athlete who trains at a high altitude may have a better chance of winning than a long distance athlete who trains at sea level? Well, athletes who train at high altitudes will have more haemoglobin, and therefore they're going to have more red blood cells in their blood. And this means that they can transport more oxygen to their muscle cells. Their muscle cells can carry out more aerobic respiration and release more energy in the form of ATP. And therefore their muscle cells can contract more and the athlete will be able to run faster. But also, the increase in oxygen also means their muscle cells will carry out less anaerobic respiration and have less oxygen debt and produce less lactic acid and be less fatigued, so the muscle cells can contract for longer and the athlete can run for a longer time without getting tired. Both of which will give the athletes who train at high altitude a better chance of winning if they run a race at sea level. I hope you've enjoyed watching this short video, and I hope it will help you with some of the exam questions you may face in your GCSEs. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get more videos from this channel when I release them. Thank you very much for watching.